Hey guys, so I'm just uploading this quick video from my phone all about a product that I've gotten a bunch of DMs about lately. I posted this boomerang right here on my Instagram stories, which if you aren't following me, you should. It is just at Allie's__life. Definitely give me a follow. That's where you can follow me when I'm not here on YouTube. And after I uploaded that boomerang and a short story after that about how even though it's winter here, my lips aren't chapped for the first time in years, all thanks to this. This is a set from Laneige. It is their Kiss Me Day and Night set. Let me tell you, this makes a perfect gift, which is why I'm coming on here and telling you guys about it. If you need ideas of what to get people, highly recommend this. It comes with a day gloss as well as the overnight lip mask. And my lips aren't chapped at all. And I live in Maine where it's super cold, super windy, the air is super dry. And normally by now, my lips would be so cracked and dry and gross and bleeding. But this is a complete game changer. And I'm so excited because I'm actually working with Laneige on this. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I will have my full skincare routine up this Thursday. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for that. I will talk more in depth about this product in that video. But for now, I did want to just come on here and let you guys know instead of replying to every single DM I've gotten. So I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye guys.